Ready to install your new EZTR tankless water heater? This quick how-to install video will walk you through all the required steps for installation. You can also use the startup guide for reference, which is included in the Flex Vent kit box. Start by disconnecting power from your heater. Shut off heater supply water and gas valves. Depressurize the hot water heater by opening a hot water fixture. Begin draining your water heater. While the tank is draining, you can remove the existing B vent from the water heater to the ceiling. Once the tank is drained, remove the connections on both the hot and cold water, as well as the gas line, and any other connections. Remove the tank and set aside. Next, take your tape measure and measure from the bottom of the B vent all the way to the rain cap. Mark the measured length on the flex vent so you know when you've reached the roof termination. Grab bag labeled Step 1 from the Flex Vent kit. Insert the base junction support to the B vent that is sticking out from the ceiling. Firmly tighten the base junction support clamp to the B vent. Be careful not to over-tighten, as it may distort the vent. If your B vent is 4 inches in diameter or not protruding from the ceiling, please utilize the base junction adapter set. Take the flex feeder cap and push it into the end of the flex pipe. Take the flex pipe with the flex feeder cap and insert through the base junction support. Continue to slide the flex pipe up until you hit the roof termination. Tighten the flex pipe clamp on the base junction support to keep the pipe in place. Do not over-tighten. Give it a pull to make sure everything stays in place. Next, you'll need the bag labeled Step 2. With safety in mind, make your way up to the roof. Locate the B vent rain cap termination. Remove the rain cap. Next, you'll slide the top flex support clip into the flex pipe while holding the pipe in place. Cut the flex vent at 3 ribs above the clip with your PVC cutter. Attach the supplied universal rain cap to complete the roof portion of the installation. Now, it's time to install your tankless. Install the mounting bracket by locating a wall stud to secure or use the supplied drywall anchors and screws. Just before mounting the heater on the bracket, install the Flex Vent conversion kit on the water heater. Install the supplied isolation valve kit. Carefully hang the water heater to the installed bracket and anchor the bottom bracket. Apply yellow Teflon tape to the threads on the bottom of the water heater. Connect the gas line to the water heater. This heater has a 3/4 inch connection. However, if you have an existing 1/2 inch gas line, use the appropriate 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch adapter. Make sure your gas line is within the approved distances outlined in the installation manual. Connect the hot and cold water lines to the heater and plumb the pressure relief valve according to local code. Connect a 1/2 inch PVC coupler to the condensate drain connection and route the condensate drain line to an appropriate drain or exit according to your local codes. Make sure to pour 10 ounces of water down the exhaust flue. Grab bag labeled Step 3. Take the 45-degree elbow and insert it into the exhaust vent. Next, take the flex pipe and cut it at the bend of the 45-degree elbow. A little long is always better than short, as it cannot be lengthened. Pull the flex sleeve over the flex pipe under the ceiling. Check to make sure the flex pipe is sticking out from the flex sleeve. Push into the bottom of the base junction support and secure. Connect the O-ring to the end of the flex pipe. Remove the 45-degree elbow and insert the flex vent. Reconnect the elbow to the heater. Measure the distance between the base junction support and the 45-degree elbow and combine this measurement with the vent length previously noted. Based on this measurement, refer to the installation manual for the appropriate dip switch setting. Install the heater's remote control. Turn on your water and gas. Check installation to ensure there are no gas or water leaks. Plug in the unit and turn on with the remote. Open a hot water fixture to test the heater for carbon monoxide leaks at the 45-degree elbow. Extend the lower end of the flex sleeve to the top of the heater. Secure with fastening screws and aluminum tape. This concludes the installation of your EZTR water heater.